Open the foot travel. Kentucky Department of Fish and Wildlife. We're hitting a couple WMAs today. See if we can't get into something.
What about that?
Not looking too good on the weather. It's already just barely sprinkling on us earlier. We ain't got in here too far and it is starting to open up a little bit more. And as you can see by the radar, it ain't looking good weather-wise today. So we're gonna stick with it as long as we can, but wet and equipment don't mix very well. Ain't hearing much. Getting plenty wet though. Definitely a few birds in here. Just gotta find one on this nasty day. Well, this is day 6 of Struttin In The Bluegrass and day 6 of Kentucky spring turkey season. Today we've been bouncing around a couple different WMAs, but the weather just isn't doing us any favors. We've been trying to get after the turkeys in between rain showers, but it's been pretty wet. We ain't even heard much, and I'm sure it's due to the weather. They're pretty tight-lipped, and usually you can get on turkeys in rainy weather. It seems like they like open areas, and you can usually catch them in spots like that, but we've been hunting mainly timber type areas today. But you know, where I live, I'm pretty lucky. I've got thousands of acres of public land hunting within easily less than an hour drive of me. If you're wanting information on public land hunting in Kentucky, it's easily found on fw.ky.gov. Just go to the Hunt tab, click on that, and scroll down to WMA and Public Land Search. You click on that, and it's going to bring up all kinds of WMAs, national forest, all kinds of land that's open to the public for hunting. We might not be having much luck today, but we're definitely not going to leave you guys without showing you some turkey hunting action. We filmed an excellent hunt during Kentucky's youth season with my son Jonah, and we'll be showing you that shortly. But I want to give a shout out to our excellent sponsors making this series possible. Real Tree Camo. We've been knocking turkeys down within 15 steps this week. Fox Pro Game Calls. Fox Pro Game Calls is world renowned for making predator calls. Well, a lot of people don't know they may have an excellent line of turkey calls as well. We've been using slate calls, crystal calls, mouth diaphragms, box calls, and they just flat out call in longbeards. Outdoor Live Field and Stream Expo. That is an excellent outdoor show that's put on right here in Paducah, Kentucky. Highly suggest you go check that out this upcoming show season. Kentucky Wild. That is a program through Kentucky Department of Fish and Wildlife that gives much needed attention to a lot of species right here in Kentucky that may be facing threats. Now let's go ahead and jump right in to Jonah's hunt. Yes, you see the toms, don't you, Jonah? Look, get your gun up. Get your gun up. Easy now. Get it up on your shoulder. Don't shoot till I tell you. That one right there to the right, shoot it. Shoot it, shoot it. Put it on and shoot it, Jonah. Shoot. What do you think? Missed.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty exciting, though, wasn't it? It beat up our decoy. Tough thing about hunting when I get grouped up like this, it'd make you wait to shoot, because if you had shot when he was just right there on top of that decoy, you'd have killed more than one. You know what I mean? It's just too. Oh yeah, fun morning though, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
You all right?
Yeah.
Hurts, don't it? Oh man, beautiful morning. Well, that right there was an excellent hunt that I won't soon forget. I guarantee you Jonah won't either. And I probably messed him up there a little bit. He probably should have shot that gobbler right on top of the decoy, but there were so many turkeys around, it was pretty hectic. But this is day 6 of Struttin' in the Bluegrass. We've been bringing you a show every single day. We got one more day left. Be sure to tune in.